The Bobcat E10z mini digger from TVE is one of the best-selling diggers in the under 1 ton category. TVE has a couple of great offers on spares for your E10z to care for your mini digger. The first offer is a 15% discount off genuine Bobcat E10z rubber tracks, saving you over £25. Second, TVE are offering a 15% discount off filter kits, taking the price below £60. You can go further, buy any 2 items and your discount increases to 20%. But hurry, because this offer is for 1 month only and ends on 30th June. Contact Ian at TVE to find out more about these offers and tap into his expertise for Bobcat parts from TVE. E10Z Spares, mighty care for mini diggers.